Don't download Mondaycom Enterprise Project Management Hub app before watching this. Before you download Mondaycom Enterprise Project Management Hub, here's the truth: it's more than a project board. At the enterprise level, Mondaycom provides portfolio management, workflow automation and advanced reporting, but most teams underestimate setup complexity. Step 1. Structure projects and teams. Mondaycom allows multiple boards, dashboards and reporting layers. Most people get this wrong by creating unorganized boards, which leads to confusion and missed deadlines. Step 2. Set up automations. Automate task assignments, notifications, and approval workflows. The surprising truth is, poorly configured automations create bottlenecks instead of saving time. Step 3. Integrate other tools. Mondaycom works best when connected to Slack, Emailcom, and analytics platforms. Without integration, collaboration suffers, and insights are scattered. Step 4. Train users. Adoption depends on understanding dashboards, automations, and reporting tools. Teams that skip training often underutilize the platform, reducing ROI. The upside: proper use of Mondaycom Enterprise can increase project efficiency by up to 40%, improve cross-team collaboration, and centralize reporting. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can organize projects strategically, implement automations wisely, and train users. For smaller teams, simpler project management solutions may work better. Subscribe for practical insights to avoid enterprise PM mistakes.